So today we'll be talking about the difference between irrational numbers and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers and irrational numbers. So what is a rational number? This is a number which can be written as a ratio of two integers. And what is a rational number? A rational number is a number which cannot be written as a ratio of two integers. Well, in that case, what is an integer? Integer. An integer is a number that is not a fraction, but it's a whole number. An integer can be any number. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on and so on, as long as the number it is not a fraction. And an integer can be a negative number as well. -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on and so on as well, as long as the number is not a fraction. So a rational number is a number that can be written as a ratio of two integers. Let's take two integers, for example. Let's take 2 and negative 1. So let's say it's 2 here, -1 here. This makes an integer. I mean rational number, I'm sorry. And an answer to this is -2. So this is a rational number, as long as it can be written as a fraction. Let's take -3, for example. Would you say it's a rational number or a rational number? Or the right question is, can the number be written as a fraction? And the answer is yes, it can be written as a fraction. So let's take -9 over 3. This gives us a -3. So meaning this -3 can be expressed in this way. And this way is a fraction, so it makes it a rational number. Let's take -3, for example. Would you say it's a rational number or a rational number? Or the right, because it can be expressed as a fraction. Let's take another one. Because it can be, let's say 2. Would you say the number is a rational number or a rational number? And the answer is this is a rational number, because this 2 can be expressed as a fraction using two integers. So we can use 4, which is an integer, and also 2, which is another integer. So 4 over 2, it gives us a 2, meaning it is a rational number. So what about -1? Is it a rational number or a rational number? So we know that for a number to be a rational number, we have to use two integers. We have to express this number as a fraction using two integers. So one of the ways to express -1 as a fraction is -1 divided by 1. And since we're able to express it as a fraction, it makes it a rational number. Let's say 2. Would you say the number is a rational number or a rational number? And the answer is this is a rational number, because this 2 can be expressed as a fraction using 2. Let us work on some examples. For the first one, let's take -5. Is it a rational number or a rational number? Can -5 be expressed as a fraction? Let's see. So yes, let's see if we'll be able to find the two integers, and when we divide them together, they will give us a -5. The integers will be 25 or -25 and 5. If we say -25 multiplied by 5, we will get 5. Sorry, negative 5. Then yes, this number is then a rational number because it can be expressed as a fraction. Let's take the next one. Let's take 6, for example, which are two integers, but when we divide together, they will give us a 6. Integers, but when we divide together, they will give us a 6. 12 is an integer, and 2 is an integer. And when we say 12 divided by 2, we get a 6. Therefore, 6 is a rational number. Let's take another one. How about decimals now? 0.25. Is it a rational number or irrational number? Meaning, can it be expressed as a fraction? Yes, meaning we'll have to find integers, and when we divide them together, they will give us 0.25. And those numbers will have to be 1 is an integer, and 4, meaning 1 over 4 will give us 0.25. Then yes, 0.25 can be expressed as a fraction, meaning 0.25 is a rational number. Let's take a few more examples. Let's take root 25. Is it a rational number or a rational number? Can this number be expressed as a fraction? So let's find two integers that when we divide together, they will give us a root 25. Oh, first, let's break this down. So we know that root 25 is 5. And meaning now we can just find a way to express 5 as a fraction. And then we'll have to find two integers that when we divide together to give us a 5. 25 is an integer, and 5 is an integer. So 25 divided by 5, we get a 5. So meaning 5 is a rational number because it can be expressed as a fraction. Let's take root 81, negative root 81. So first you have to break this down to its simplest, and root 81 is 9. Then now the question is negative 9 a rational number or irrational number? Two integers. There we have to 81 and 9. So negative 81 and 9. Negative 81 divided by 9, it gives us negative 9. So negative 9 is a rational number. Let's take 3 root 15. Is it a rational number or irrational number? So when you punch this number into the calculator, you will get 11,61, 895, and it continues. So the question is, can this number be expressed as a fraction? And the answer is no. This number is a continuous number. So whenever a number is continuous, that means it's an irrational number because you cannot express it as a fraction. So for conclusion here, this is a rational number. It cannot be expressed as a fraction. So yes. Let's take pi for instance. Is it a rational number or irrational number? So when you punch pi into the calculator, you get we get 3.14159, and it continues like that. And also, the pi is a continuous number, and this only means it cannot be expressed as a fraction. So we know whenever we cannot express a number as a fraction, it means it's an irrational number. Irrational number. Irrational. So that's all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.